In this question, it is given that a survey was conducted and it was found that 21 people liked the product A, 26 people liked the product B, and 29 people liked the product C. It is also given 14 people liked the products A and B both, 12 people liked the products C and A both, and 14 people liked the products B and C both. And there were 8 people who liked all the 3 products. You have to find how many people liked only the product C. Let's begin the solution of this question. Let us assume that A, B and C denote the sets of people who like the product A, B and C respectively. The number of people who like the product A will be given by N of A, which is 21. The number of people who like the product B will be given by N of B, that is equal to 26. The number of people who like the product C, which is given by N of C, will be equal to 29. The number of people who liked both the products A and B will be given by N of A intersection B, and that is equal to 14. The number of people who liked both the products A and C will be given by N of A intersection C, and that will be equal to 12. And the number of people who liked both the products B and C will be given by N of B intersection C, and that is equal to 14. And the number of people who liked all the 3 products A, B and C will be given by N of A intersection B intersection C, and that is given as 8. And now we will represent the given information in the form of a Venn diagram. So here we have a Venn diagram which represents the sets A, B and C. So this circle represents the set A, this circle represents the set B, and this circle represents the set C. Now we are given that N of A is 21, N of B is 26, and N of C is 29. Now we are also given that the number of people who liked all the products A, B and C is 8. So this region represents the people who like all the 3 products, and it is given by, that is the number is given by 8. So we write 8 here. Now this is the region which represents the people who like both the products A and C but not B. So this can be written as N of A intersection C minus B, and this will be equal to N of A intersection C minus N of A intersection B intersection C, and N of A intersection C is given by 12. So it will be equal to 12 minus 8, that is equal to 4. So this region consists of 4 elements. Now this region, it represents the people who like the products B and C but not A. This means N of B intersection C minus A. So that will be equal to N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection B intersection C, that is the number of people who like all the 3 products. So this will be equal to, now we have already seen that N of B intersection C is given by 14. So it will be 14 minus 8, that is equal to 6. So this region consists of 6 elements. Now, in the question we are asked to find out how many liked product C only. So that will be represented by this region. So this represents only C. So the number of people who liked only C will be equal to 29 minus 4 minus 8 minus 6. So that is equal to 29 minus 18, which gives us 11. So here we have 11. Hence, we can conclude that 11 people liked the product C only. So with this we come to the end of the solution of this question.